Yeah, it's time for me to go into the Hey guys, welcome back to another week of vlogs. Today is Tuesday. It seems like I'm always starting my vlogs on Tuesday, but on Mondays I just really have to get into work mode, I guess, so I don't really do too much. But yeah, I am about to get my lashes filled, and I actually scheduled a freestyle fill-in, so I don't even know what I'm about to get. I usually get a hybrid, but these are how my lashes are looking right now. This eye always has more lashes than this eye, but yeah, these are how my lashes are looking now, and then I am going to show you guys the after. A lot of people think that I'm just wearing these glasses just because they're fashion. Like, they're cute, but these have my prescription in there. Like, I'm not just walking around with these cute ass glasses without them being prescription. But I've gotten so many compliments on these glasses, and you know, with my skin tone, I've always wanted to try like some dark black glasses, or like some dark deep brown glasses, and I feel like the black is just giving, you know. I have on all black too. It's just been my vibe lately, and I also have a black water bottle to make the outfit complete. Like, you know, if we're gonna do it all monochromatic, okay? But my appointment is at 12 o'clock. It's currently 11:48, so I am about to head in. I'm gonna ask her if I could record a little bit, like just to put in tape on or whatever, or something. I don't know. This is only my second time going to her, so. Okay, hey guys, I am back. I was a little asleep. But these are my lashes. Like I said, I just let her do her own thing, and I like them. They got like some little spikes or whatever. So it's giving, you know, it's definitely giving. You know what I wish though? You know how you can change the color of your brows to match your hair? So like when I have my red hair, I'll always go with like a lighter brown. I wish they had that for lashes. Do you think that'll look okay? I don't know. I know they got like different colors, but I don't know if they have like normal colors. I know they got like red, greens, yellows, all that accent color that people put on there. But as far as like natural hair colors, like I wonder if they have that. Like, you know how you get a number 4 in braiding hair? Like, can I get a number 4 in lash extensions? Because these are black, you know, black. But I'm feeling myself again. About to go film some content. Woo, I look scudded, okay? Ooh wee, baby. Listen, we are in the middle of a whole freaking snowstorm, and although I love driving in the snow, I think it's so fun. As long as you know how to drive. Like, you really have to know how to drive. Excuse me, you really have to know how to drive in the snow for it to be fun. But I'm saying all that to say that this one isn't that fun, because people are literally driving 10 miles per hour, and it's like, if you're gonna get out here and drive 10 miles per hour, go home. Like, we had this warning for quite some time, and I just feel like if we all knew about this, so just go home. But here's what of course I'm at the gym, because gym is life, and it doesn't matter if it's a snowstorm or not. I'm going to come to the gym, you know, because it's not snowing in the gym. It's not snowing in the gym, okay? But yeah, I'm just on the internet looking at $500,000 houses. Can't afford it, but I'm looking at them, you know, just in case, you know, when I am able to afford it, you know, I know what to look for. I also just took my pre-workout, which is why I'm sitting in the car for a second, because like I said, that has activation time, and I just want to go in, get to doing what I need to do, and come right back out. today is like back in ab day, so I'm probably trying to make it an hour, honestly. Probably an hour. Probably like an hour and 15 minutes because I want to do some cardio. But it is looking so crazy out here, and I just hope everyone is safe and sound and they make it home. But it is looking so crazy out here. Like, look, can y'all see? Oh my gosh, look at it. It doesn't really look as bad on camera. Like, the camera isn't doing it justice at all, but it's for sure a storm out here. And you know me, TeteMariee, I just don't care. I went grocery shopping, everything, got some groceries. Nothing is in bags because of course I went to Aldi's. I don't know if y'all still rock with Aldi's, but I really shop at Aldi's. They really have some, like, their fruit is always so fresh, and yeah, they always have everything I need, and it's very low key. Like, you know, when you go to Target, you go to Kroger, you go to Meijer, you go to Trader Joe's, you go to all those places, like, a lot of places just don't have everything in stock. And I've never been disappointed at Aldi's. And there's really no Trader Joe's around me, because that's really the other grocery store that I'm in love with. But yeah, I'm just stalling. I think my pre-workout kind of kicked in because I'm talking really fast, and maybe I'm not talking fast, but I just feel like I'm talking fast because of the pre-workout. But you know that pre-workout just gives you really, 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 really good energy, and it's just like, baby, yeah, I'm talking too fast because I'm not a fast talker, and I'm just talking too much. Yeah, it's time for me to go into the gym. I'll see y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey guys, hey, long time no see. It's actually only been like 3 days, but that's a long time when I'm supposed to be doing a weekly vlog, you know. But I just came from out of TJ Maxx. I didn't really want to record in there because, you know, you really got to keep your eyes peeled in TJ Maxx, you know. And I love this one that I'm at specifically because they always have like really nice stuff. But I just came out of TJ Maxx because I'm going to a Galentines like girls night. It is February 19th. It's not Super Bowl, it is All-Star weekend. So I guess all the girls want to get together and just have a nice little night. I bought some wine, and I had found these glasses, like these drinking glasses in TJ Maxx, so I'm just gonna give those to my friend whose house I'm going over. I think she would like those. And I also got like some straws, some metal straws for her, so I think she'll like those too. And the reason I ran into TJ Maxx is because we're supposed to wear pink pajamas, and of course, y'all know me, I don't really own pink pajamas, you know. So yeah, I just went in there and get some pink pajamas and some socks, and I ran across some things once I was in there. But we were supposed to bring some wine as well, and I got some Earl Stevens, the mango Scotto, and I got a red wine that I've never had from Earl Stevens as well. So it's 6:49 now. I'm about to head over to her house. We're supposed to be over there at 7, so I will see you guys once I get there.
My heart beat, need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a one.
can make it a little hard if we want to.
Oh, Skylar, no, who leg is it? Skylar, your leg come in.
Where my foot gotta go? Is it me?
Somebody needs to.
I don't know. This
Now we confused. We should stick in a circle. Okay, 1, 2. I'm on 3.
Wait, what we doing?
Wiggle or something.
Are we pulling it out?
That's so funny. Y'all wiggle it. This conversation is hilarious. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Guys, so I just did some makeup, as you guys can see. I'm supposed to be doing a wedding in April, and that was one of the bridesmaids. So we were just doing like a little consultation, a little pre wedding makeup day, and it turned out so stinking cute. Like, she was gorgeous. I think they're not twins, but the bride and the sister, that was her sister, they literally look so much alike to me. It's ridiculous. But yeah, that's what I was doing. I'm not doing much today. Today is Sunday, as you guys saw yesterday. I did go to a Galentines event. I tried to record as much as I could, but you know, I was just enjoying the time, and you know, I had a good time. But today is probably going to be the end of this vlog. I love you guys so much, and I'm sorry that this vlog didn't have much in it, but you know, I don't really do a lot, you know. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next week's vlog. Remember that I post every Monday and Thursday, so please be prepared to come back to my channel on Mondays and Thursdays to get either a vlog or some type of content, hair content, makeup content, something like that. But I love you guys so much. Please remember that behind every open closed door, there's always a new opportunity. So keep grinding, sis, and you'll get to where you need to be. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.
I can do it, gymnast. I can do